how to fix the QR code scanner not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option, and after that scroll down and open camera. Now tap on this force stop option, and from the pop-up again tap on force stop to confirm, and after that it will force stop the camera app and QR code scanner will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then open camera app again from the settings. So open settings, go to apps. Now in apps tap on camera and this time go to the storage of camera app. Now from here clear the cache memory of the camera app. So to clear this cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing the cache memory, the camera will start working properly and QR code scanner will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone's software is not updated, then update the software, and after that the QR code scanner will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the QR code scanner not working issue on MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.